In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Canva to Google Slides. If you've created a presentation in Canva and now need to move it into Google Slides for sharing, team editing, or presenting, the good news is that the process is simple and you do not need to rebuild your slides from scratch. Canva includes a built-in export option that makes this transfer much easier, and Google Slides can usually read the exported file very well. To begin, open Canva and go to your homepage or recent projects area. Find the presentation you want to transfer, then open it so the full design workspace is visible on your screen. Before moving on, give it a moment to fully load. This is helpful because it ensures all of your slides, images, text, and design elements are synced properly before you export the file. Once your presentation is open, move to the top right corner of the Canva window and click Share. A menu will appear with several options. In that menu, scroll until you find Download, then click it. This opens the export settings for your presentation. In the File Type section, click the drop-down menu and choose Microsoft PowerPoint or PPTX. This is the format you want because it works well with Google Slides and keeps the presentation editable after import. Also, make sure the setting for all pages is selected if you want to bring over the entire deck. After that, click Download and let Canva create the file. Depending on the size of your presentation, this may take a few moments. When it's finished, the PowerPoint file will be saved to your computer. Now open a new browser tab and go to Google Slides. Once you're on the Google Slides homepage, click Blank Presentation to open a new file. Then go to the top menu, click File, choose Open, and switch to the Upload tab. From there, drag your downloaded PowerPoint file into the upload area or browse for it manually on your device. After the upload finishes, Google Slides will open your imported presentation automatically. Take a few minutes to review each slide carefully. In most cases, everything transfers well, but it's always smart to check text spacing, image placement, and overall alignment. Sometimes fonts may look slightly different if Canva and Google Slides use different font versions. If that happens, just resize the text box or make small spacing adjustments to clean things up, and that's it. You've successfully moved your Canva presentation into Google Slides without manually recreating the design. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.